Not a fan of mind-bending science? Maybe the words quantum physics make your head spin. Or you've tried to read an article about quantum computers and ended up more confused than when you started. You're not alone. For most of us, the world of quantum mechanics feels like a secret club with its own language, full of strange rules and even stranger possibilities. But what if I told you that you don't need a PhD to understand how quantum computers could change your life? Still use your phone every day? Of course you do. Whether you're texting friends, scrolling through social media, or checking the weather, you're already living in a world powered by technology. Our daily lives are woven together by computers, from the apps we use to the way we shop, travel, and even connect with loved ones. But have you ever wondered what's happening inside those devices? Or how the next big leap in computing could make today's tech look ancient? Then you'll want to hear how quantum computers could flip our tech world upside down. Imagine a future where the impossible becomes possible, where computers can solve problems in seconds that would take today's fastest supercomputers millions of years. This isn't just science fiction. Quantum computers are real, and they're already starting to reshape the way scientists, engineers, and even artists think about what's possible. Regular computers work like a traffic cop, flipping signals, on or off, just like a coin that's heads or tails. Every bit of information is a simple choice, yes or no, 1 or 0. Billions of these tiny decisions happen every second, letting your phone stream videos, play games, or help you navigate a new city. It's a system that's served us well for decades, but it has its limits. But quantum computers use qubits, which are more like spinning coins. They can be heads, tails, or both at the same time. Imagine flipping a coin, and, instead of landing on heads or tails, it somehow lands on both at once. That's the magic of quantum mechanics. Qubits can hold much more information than regular bits, and they can process it in ways that seem almost magical. This ability to be in multiple states at once is what gives quantum computers their incredible power. This is called superposition. It's one of the weirdest and most wonderful ideas in all of science. Superposition means a qubit can explore many possibilities at the same time, like reading every book in a library at once instead of one by one. This is what lets quantum computers tackle problems that would leave regular computers stuck for centuries. And when you add entanglement, a kind of quantum group chat, these qubits can solve problems together, crazy fast. Entanglement links qubits so that the state of one instantly affects the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. It's like having a team of friends who can finish each other's sentences, even if they're on opposite sides of the planet. This teamwork lets quantum computers break through barriers that have stumped scientists for decades. Think finding a new medicine or cracking secret codes in seconds, not years. Quantum computers could help us design drugs that cure diseases faster, create materials that are lighter and stronger, or even unlock secrets hidden in nature's most complex puzzles. They could revolutionize cybersecurity, making our data safer, or, if we're not careful, making old security systems obsolete overnight. The possibilities are as vast as our imagination. Imagine scientists simulating the behavior of molecules to invent new medicines, or engineers designing batteries that last 10 times longer. Quantum computers could help us understand climate change, optimize traffic in megacities, or even discover new forms of clean energy. The impact could touch every part of our lives, from healthcare to transportation, from finance to entertainment. But don't worry, quantum computers won't replace your laptop tomorrow. They're amazing for some puzzles, not for streaming cat videos. Your favorite shows and memes are safe, at least for now. Quantum computers are like supercharged brains for very specific problems, not general-purpose machines for everyday tasks. They need special environments to work, super cold temperatures, complex wiring, and lots of care. So, while they're powerful, they're not about to take over your home office. So here's the big question. If we suddenly solve impossible problems, how could that change the world? What happens when we can simulate the universe, predict the future of economies, or break codes that have kept secrets safe for decades? The ripple effects could be enormous, touching everything from how we fight disease to how we protect our privacy, and even how we understand the universe itself. What would you do with that power? Would you use it to help others, to solve the world's biggest challenges, or to invent something no one has ever dreamed of? The future of quantum computing is still being written, and you could be part of the story. So next time you hear about quantum computers, remember, it's not just science fiction, it's the next chapter in the story of human innovation. And it's only just beginning.